So hi, I'm Nathan Collymore. I'm the head chef for Jam Delish, and I'm going to be using the seasoned shallow casserole to make some black-eyed peas. So I'm a little bit of oil in the pan. Sweat those off nice and gently. So the pan's starting to sizzle now. So we're also going to add some spring onions, thyme, and some garlic. So these are like traditional aromats that we would use in the Caribbean.
That's smelling good already.
Yeah. So we're going to take these lovely oyster mushrooms, add a little bit of jerk to them, season on these. It's not going to do a long one. So we're going to add just a touch of pimento. So pimento again is like a spice that we use a lot in the Caribbean. So back to our pot here, we're going to add a little bit of curry powder, and then we're going to go back in with pimento, some bell peppers, they'll go in. We're going to add our black-eyed peas, so in they go. So we're just going to coat our black-eyed peas and everything in our lovely base. We're going to go in with some coconut milk. Wonderful, stir in that coconut milk. And then we're going to go in with some stock. And then we're going to hit with some black pepper. This is one of our secret spice mix that we make here. That goes in.
What's in the spice mix?
So I can tell you that there's some paprika in there, obviously, and a little bit of nutmeg. And then we've got some garlic powder, some onion powder. That'll go in. And then some all-purpose will go in there. Just a touch more pimento. All you gotta do is just stir it in, and then the lid goes on, and then we'll come back to it. And it should be actually lovely. So here we're just going to add a touch of oil, let that pan get nice and hot. So we're looking to get a nice bit of colour on our mushroom. So yeah, just a little bit of patience and in a nice hot pan. Just going to lift it up, and then we're just going to stick a couple of Scotch bonnets in there. Just classic Caribbean flavours, needs to be there. And lid goes back on. Alright, sweet. There it goes. Wonderful, looking lovely. Once these come out and go in the oven, we're going to open up our plantain, fry it off. We'll have a look at our black-eyed peas as well. And we'll do a little bit of broccoli, plate up, and enjoy a nice little meal. Just going to give this a nice little stir, probably like about 10, just let it reduce a little bit more. So I'm just going to leave the lid off now. So plantain is obviously it's a banana, a species type of banana, but doesn't taste anything like a banana, I would say. A lot more starchy. Tastier because it's a lot more starchy and the sweetness is different. So yeah, it's just different. So that's different. So we're just going to cube it just for. Oh, this knife is really good. But here we're just going to do really simple pan frying. Like these are like the smell of plantain for me is like really nostalgic. You know, it's like you think of like waking up and then like your mum's making plantain for breakfast. So yeah, that smell. Right. Just stick it in there at the same time. With a little bit of salt. So this is like our kind of salsa verde, but we've got like coriander in there, garlic, ginger. So I'm just gonna put that over there. Nice bit of parsley and basil in there as well. So that will add nice little flavour to our broccoli. And there's our nice plantain, lovely. And I'm just gonna get that out of the pan. So we make jerk butter here. So we're just gonna do roti with a little bit of jerk butter. So we're just going to stick our roti on top of that pan and just fit it in. This is almost done now. We're going to finish it off with some parsley and coriander. So in it goes just like that, nice and herby, nice and fresh. Stir it in. Oh, lovely. Straight from the pot to the plate. There we go with these lovely caramelized onions as well. I'm just going to get a little bit more of that coconut milk. So I'm just going to take our, oh, there's more broccoli. Let's just take our broccoli and stick it around like that. Then we'll take some of this plantain. Then we'll take a couple of cherries. And then we've got some of these lovely jerk mushrooms. They can sit in there as well. So just a lot of texture, a lot of flavour, a lot of colour. And let's not forget about our roti. Alright. Which should be nice and crispy now. So you can be brave like me and just like take it while it's still hot. Grab some of this stew from here and then we're just gonna like, oh, wonderful. In it goes.
Happy, chef?
Very happy. And that's it. Wonderful. So yeah, there you go. You've got a lovely little black-eyed pea dal, jerk mushrooms, broccoli, cherry tomatoes and plantain. Awesome.